Hi, I want to change my head bulb, the head beam for my truck. It's in a Jeep Grand Cherokee. I ordered the wrong type of lamps before, so now I've changed to another one. So it's correct, so it's a D3S and the Xenon here. And the original light is this one. Let's see here. So this is actually the part who is broken. So I already changed it, but I want to show you a bit of a trick. Here you have this one. Let's see if it can sharpen up. I can take a photo later for it. So this I changed in my Jeep Grand Cherokee. Anyhow, this was that part, unboxing the light. So, rather cheap ones, cost a fortune, so I understand why people change it to LED. So this is the box, actually. So that's the part. Okay, so part 2. Now we want to change the lights. We had as you can see here, 2 front lights, no obvious, and from above this side is this airbox should be removed or something. I set a lot of videos on that one, so this is rather simple. But when you come to my Eco Diesel with 250 horsepower and so on, V6, then it seems to be I have like this box and all together, and here underneath here I should put my hand and unboxing the lights. But I have one trick that works for me. The original place is this box under here, but actually it's you don't reach the I have not seen a video where they actually change the light from that way. So I will show you how. Okay, first thing, this one, some electric stuff you change, and so you can move them a bit. Some I have seen have removed this one, and it's much easier, but I was a bit lazy. So here I put my hands between this one and stick it under all the way, and here's my my elbow is just coming in. Then you see my hand reaching this point, and then I can touch the back of the lights here, so I can see if I can put some lights on this one. Welcome back to the brighter part. So here is the lights, and as you can see I can touch this and screw with this hand in horizontal angle and remove stuff, and the inner ring also. So that's rather simple. But then I need to I hope this is viewable, so I need to let this hand go below so I can move this underneath the headlights, and I can take out the lamp this way if I move this ECU or whatever it is away. So then I can change this one. So then I can change this with this method. So in short term, underneath this cooler fluid, I stick my hand underneath it, and the other one is working from the top. Still, it is easy, so you need to have your finding the whole part in the right direction. Okay, bye for now.